Today, class, we're going to talk about how math was taught in the Victorian era. Let's start by listening to our friend Christina talk about how her day at school went. You see, Christina lived in the Victorian era and wants to tell us what her math class is like. Hi everyone, my name is Christina, and I'm going to talk about my experience in the math class I attended back in the Victorian era. It's not so different from your classes today. We also learn about arithmetic, which is the basic calculations we use every day, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. We even sit in classrooms with other pupils, which is just a fancy word for students in school. Every now and then we do very elaborate assignments, such as learning all the ways to make change from a certain amount of money. Elaborate means involving many parts or details, or complicated in planning or design. These assignments can be very tedious, but we always pay attention and do our work because we might be rewarded with prizes for doing well. Tedious means to be long, dull, and boring. But our classroom is a little different than yours. We use a tool called an abacus instead of a calculator. An abacus is a frame of wires with beads that can be moved across, and it is used for calculations. I wish we had calculators when we were in class. So it looks like some things are similar, but some things are much different. In class, we're going to learn even more about what their math classes were like, and we'll even be learning some of the math skills that they had to learn.